Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to Junk Journal January for 2026. And the day is the 14th of January, so our daily prompt today is morning. So let's grab our junk journal and dive into a creative session about the beginning of the day. And for that I decided to use this kind of paperback spread I have here in my journal with the stripes, and I did get out some washi tape with splattered coffee and some coffee dyed paper to kind of dedicate the whole spread a bit to what gets me going in the morning, which definitely has to be a good cup of coffee. So I decided to make that the focal point of today's spread, and here I just did glue down the kind of background washi tape sticker onto the coffee dyed paper, and now I just have a little journal card. And I decided to draw an illustration of a coffee cup onto the paper back in the journal. I really love how the combination of the white paint pen and the black and white, or the kind of black and craft paper kind of stripes looks combined. I always love the contrast of that, and I feel like it kind of adds a lot of interest to the spread in all. And all in all, kind of I didn't want to do too much to the spread, as I love the stripes and the little logo on the spread already. So sometimes I feel like with junk journaling you have so much already going on the page when you start that you only have to add minimalistic things, and for that this coffee illustration was perfect for my taste. Now let's add a good morning to the spread, and I'm really happy with how this whole challenge is going so far and how everything is coming together. Can't believe we're nearly at the halfway point of this daily junk journal challenge already. I hope you are having as much fun with the challenge as I am, and I'm just going with the flow for each day, like I already feel like I'm talking about in each video, that I just kind of go with the first idea that comes to mind. And for this spread it was just coffee and everything that is part of having a good morning in a way. I hope you enjoyed this creative morning spread with me today and spending some creative time together. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's creative session, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. See you very soon. Until then, happy creating!